Welcome back to Lunch at the Market. Sorry about yesterday as Brad's flight was delayed from California. We talked briefly in between changing planes, and he said I should get on it and rub it in that we had said to sell calls against your stock and buy puts. I didn't want to be rude, so we agreed to skip yesterday. Hopefully you also caught our quick trade in Domino's Pizza as we recommended it last week when it was trading just under $15.20, and then told you to take the quick buck on Monday. The stock gapped down 2 days in a row and is back where we made the initial buy call. So we'll reiterate our call to get long again. You round-tripped most of what we put in up now is done on Lunch at the Market, as there are a number of other things we have going and can't spend the time we used to on Twitter. Feel free to mention us as we replied to every mention on Twitter. Today, we added to our position in Chesapeake Energy today, and we continue to build with the stock trading with a $23 handle. More importantly, PPL Corporation, symbol PPL, announced today that they are buying U.S. unit from Germany's E.ON. The deal will give PPL the Kentucky-based utility for somewhere between $6 to $7 billion. The official deal will be announced tomorrow. We've owned PPL for some time, collecting the dividend while we wait for better days. The sell-off today gives us a chance to buy PPL at the 52-week low. We grabbed it for under $26, but you can still add to your position or initiate here as the stock is only 22 cents above the $26 mark where we added to our position. The stock now yields about 5%, and it's hard to see the acquisition as a terrible idea unless they grossly overpay. Only time will tell exactly how the deal will impact their earnings. The company trades with a forward PE of 8.18 and a PEG of 0.76. Clearly, they're committed to growth, and they are doing it the right way now with this new acquisition. Right now, the company operates mainly out of the West and the Northeast. This will put operations in between those two areas. It also operates stations in the UK, no doubt, which put them close to the deal with the German company it's buying the Kentucky assets from. We like the utilities and we're adding here. If the deal doesn't go through, the stock should trade back up. If the deal goes through, the stock should trade back down when we see how this helps earnings. Either way, we think the stock trades back up sooner or later. Take a look at PPL. We're on the EQT conference call today as well, and you may want to take a look there. They operate an integrated energy company and do production, midstream, and distribution for both natural gas and crude oil. The company has a dividend of 1.9% and bounced off their 50-day moving average thanks to the good quarter they just reported. You may want to wait for this breach $44 again and take a shot if you're a technical trader. They commented on all the countries poking around the shale plays, specifically India, Russia, and Japan. They also said that they would entertain deals from anyone, which should help with growth. Valuation isn't great here. Trailing PE is 37 and forward is still 19, so look for the stock to pull back to its 50-day moving average before you jump in. And another quick note, other stocks down big on our radar today you'll want to take a gander at are Activision Blizzard, symbol ATVI, Flextronics International, symbol FLEX, Flex, GSI Commerce, symbol GSIC, which reports today after the close, and Micron Technology, symbol MU. Micron has billions on the balance sheet in cash and trades with a forward PE of 6.79. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to go to iTunes and download the 3 shows that we have available by searching for Magnum Opus Financial. You can also listen to America's Favorite Trader series right on our website by going to www.magnumopusfinancial.com/demystify. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see how the Fed decision goes. Be ready out there after 2 p.m. See you tomorrow.